Yes.
Let me mute first, all of you. Let me mute. Are you able to see?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Let me mute. Let me mute. Students are still in the waiting. Let me join. Then I will continue.
Sir, only 15 minutes are left.
Just wait 2 minutes. Everything
Sir.
very good. Okay. Let me open the book. Sometimes page opens very slow. It takes a little bit time. Page is opening very slow. Saqib Akhtar, I will remove you from class. Saqib Akhtar. Those who will draw on the screen, their name is visible here. So don't think that your name is not visible. So don't draw. Page is getting open very slow. It will take a little bit time. 2 minutes to 3 minutes it will take time. Sometimes it happens. But wait 5 minutes, everything will be okay. Because today, these days, we have rainy season. So in rainy season, network always fluctuate. In Pahalgam also, there are floods like situation in Pahalgam. And is it correct? In Pahalgam, there is flood like situation. Akanksha, you see.
Yes, sir.
Near your
Yes,
house,
sir.
nearby your places, is there water?
Yes, sir.
In school campus ground also water has come. In school campus, water also has entered. Still page is opening. Okay, do you know? Let us talk something. Do you know that tomorrow is your result day? Do you know, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Tomorrow is your result day. At what time your result will be published? Timing, you know?
Yes, sir.
8:30 a.m. So tomorrow all of you will get your result online. It will be published online. Okay.
Okay, sir.
At the end of the class, I will show you how much water has come in the school. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Let me see now book has opened or not, because page is opening very slow. See, page is opening very slow. This is our GSC book. Okay, now we are able to open the book. Now, are you able to see the book on the screen? Ayushi, are you able to see the book on the screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let us start. Let me remove Shivam first. He was drawing on the screen. Advantages of vegetative reproduction already I have taught you in the previous class. Now let us begin from page number 61. Okay, Now we are going to study about today artificial methods of vegetative reproduction. What are the artificial methods of vegetative reproduction? So let us study over here. Now make me confirm last time. Is there any problem regarding my voice clarity? Are you listening properly?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Vegetative reproduction. Vegetative reproduction have been used for artificial multiplication of useful plants due to its various advantages. Okay. Vegetative reproduction have been used for artificial multiplication of useful plants due to its various advantages. Such multiplication methods are called artificial methods of vegetative reproduction. So such multiplication methods are called artificial methods of vegetative reproduction. You underline these things from here. Everyone underline this line. You underline from here. Vegetative reproduction have been used for artificial multiplication of useful plants due to its various advantages. Such multiplication methods are called artificial methods or vegetative reproduction. You underline. Some of these methods are as follows. So what are these methods? Vegetative reproduction for vegetative reproduction. So methods number 1 we are studying here. Method number 1 is given cutting. So stem cutting. First of all, what we do is stem cutting. A stem of short length is cut, removed from the plant and placed in soil. With suitable conditions, roots and leaves grow, which further develop into an independent plant. Rose, coleus, bougainvillea, sugarcane, and cactus are produced from stem cutting. So these are the examples of stem cutting. Okay. We are going to study about the methods of vegetative or reproduction. Okay. Vegetative reproduction have been used for artificial multiplication of useful plants due to its various advantages. Such multiplication methods are called artificial methods. So we are going to study about today the artificial methods of vegetative reproduction. What we are studying today? The artificial methods of vegetative reproduction. Are you listening?
Yes, sir.
So these are the methods of artificial vegetative reproduction. Number 1, stem cutting. And the examples of stem cutting is given here. Rose, these are the examples. Rose, coleus, bougainvillea, sugarcane, and cactus are produced from stem cutting. This is cutting, first method of artificial vegetative reproduction, and example is given here, stem cutting. Okay, I will tell you to write the examples of artificial methods of cutting. So you have to write first stem cutting, you have to put the heading, then you have to write the examples. Number B is given root cutting. Some plants like lemon and tamarind grow into an independent plant after their root cutting are placed in damp soil. Okay, some plants like lemon and tamarind. So these are the examples of root cutting plant. Root cutting method. Example is given lemon and tamarind. Then we have layering. In some plants, the lower branch of the plant is bent so that a part of the stem is buried under the soil. The growing tip remains above the soil surface. Later, roots grow from the stem that has been buried in the soil. Now, this new plant can be cut off from the parent plant and planted as an independent plant. Plants like jasmine, strawberry, underlined from here. Jasmine, strawberry, and bougainvillea grow by this method. Which method? Layering method. Layering method. So three methods we have discussed here. First one, stem cutting method. Then the second one, root cutting method. Then the third one, layering method. And the examples also is given. The examples of stem cutting method are rose, college, bougainvillea, sugarcane, and cactus. Root cutting, the examples of root cutting methods are lemon and tamarind. The examples of layering is jasmine, strawberry, and bougainvillea grow by this method. So far clear, understood here? Any problem?
No, sir.
Okay. Number 4 method is grafting. Grafting in grafting, the desired plant is obtained from two different plants. The root portion, lower part, taken out from in grafting, the desired plant is obtained from two different plants. The root portion, lower part, taken from one plant is called stalk, while the stem portion upper from the other plant is called scion. So you underline this thing. I will ask what is stalk and what is scion. Scion is the plant which one wants to produce, and so it is grafted on the stalk. Then two ends are tied tightly, which ultimately develops into a single plant. Now we have a little bit recap here. Let us try to understand the recap. When a pollen falls on the stigma of a flower, it develops a pollen tube and enters the ovule through the style. The male reproductive cell in the pollen fuse with the female reproductive all in the ovule. This process is called fertilization. The ovule develops a tough coat around it and is gradually converted into a seed. The ovary of flower develops and becomes a fruit. These things already we have discussed in our previous classes. So that's why it is written a recap. Whatever the important things we have studied in the book, so these are the important points on it. The part of seed which contains stored food for the baby plant is known as cotyledon. The process of spreading seeds to different places is known as dispersal of seeds. Already I have made underline these things in the previous classes, that what is cotyledon, what is dispersal of seeds. Different modes of seed dispersal includes human, animals, wind, bursting, and water. Stems, roots, and leaves are the vegetative part of plants, whereas flowers are the reproductive part of plants. Cutting, layering, and grafting are artificial methods of vegetative production. Vegetative reproduction, just now we have discussed about it. So I think we have completed this chapter, haven't we? We have completed or not? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
We have completed here. Now we have keywords. Keywords are also important. Let us try to understand the keywords. Then in the next class, we will complete our exercises. In the keywords, definition of reproduction, fertilization, cotyledon, zygote, radicle, plumule, dispersal of seeds, vegetative reproduction, stalk, and scion. stock and shown, what I have made underlined just now in the previous page number. So short definition is given here. What is stock? You just need to say the root part of the grafted plant is called stock. And what is scion? The stem part of the grafted plant is called scion. So these things, exercises we will complete in our next class. So you have the homework that all of you need to learn the keywords. And one time you need to write. What is the homework? Tell me. What homework I had given? Tell me. Listening. You are not listening. Okay, Ishant, unmute yourself. Ishant,
Yes, sir.
what homework?
The homework is to learn keywords and write one time.
Very good. And in the next class, we will complete the exercises. We will complete multiple choice questions, fill in the blanks, match the following. All things we will complete in our next class. Okay, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Today till here only. Bye, everyone.
Sir, you will tell that you will show how water is coming on school.
But now we don't have time now. That's why. Bye, everyone. I will share.
Thank you, sir.
I will share that photo in WhatsApp group. I will share that photo in WhatsApp group. Okay.
Bye, sir.